Got me falling right back.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a mail call and we're going to do an unboxing. So if you guys follow Sinster, that may be why some of you guys are here. So we're going to get involved with something together, learn something together instead of trying to learn on our own, right? So he's learned a lot about this as far as like the videos, the forums and stuff like that. So I probably pretty much didn't look into it much, watch a couple videos, so let's show you guys what we're talking about and get into what's in the box. Follow me over to the everyone made it over. Alright, so what is in the box? Let's see. Well, I guess you guys wouldn't know what that would be unless I turned it over. Oh, check this out. So this is the Luminaire Axie 2 left-handed polarization FPV stubby end patch, 5.8 as you can see there, and we're going to do a giveaway on the Drone Network for this one night, so stay tuned to the Friday nights 8 p.m. if you want to pick this up. Looks like a nice set of antennas, completely sealed. Sinster FPV, Jim, if you guys don't know him, you should. And he went ahead and sent these in. He's going to come on the show one night and give them away. Which show is it going to be? Which night? That's up to you to pay attention and pick them up. Alright, so we got that out the way. Now what is in here? There's something else in here. Let's get this out the way. Okay, what is in here? It is the Betafpv ELRS module. It is the micro module. It is the 915 one. You guys know I run Crossfire, so Sinster FPV Jim wanted to get into this, and we do it together, like I said. So we got this. I went ahead and picked us up a couple of these receivers. Got to get one of these to Jim's door so he can get his and his whatever he's going to put it in, and we're going to learn this together. We're going to do the firmware, the flashing. We're going to do everything together. We're going to try to do videos of everything, so bear with us on that. So anyway, like I said, an unboxing, so let's go ahead and now get into the unboxing. Okay, this is going to be the unboxing for the Betafpv Express LRS system. So let's open it up, see what we got. First, you got your module laying right there on top. It's a really nice module. Looks like you got your dipole antenna in there, cap. It's got a switch on here, toggle that works the menu here, changes the color of the LED. You press down and hold, from what I was told. It's got a fan on it. So we don't know much about this, at least I don't, so we'll get into that more as we go. We got ourselves a cable here. That's going to be for updating it, plugging in and flashing it. And we got a set of antennas here. This is going to be, what do they call this? This is, I know it's your patch antenna, so I know there's a certain name for it. With your receiver or servo plug in there, that's going to be for, I guess, giving it a flash maybe, or flashing the receivers, I don't know, but that's what we used to use them for before. So gives you a nice coax cable there. And what's left? Got your knowledge base card that Betafpv puts in everything, as everyone will tell you. And then you have your manual, micro TX module. Look at that. So I'm not going to get into reading this right now. Like I said, we're going to get to learning this, and we're going to do it together, me and Sinster. FPV. Jim, I thank you for this. Jim sent this in to me, guys, for me to get into this. I appreciate you. I really do. So that's why I said I had to purchase us some receivers and get him a receiver to his door, because, well, without the receivers, this isn't going to be no good. Well, there you have it, guys. We're going to get into something different. Like I said, I run Crossfire. Is it to beat Crossfire up? No, it's not. It's just to try the new kid around the block, you know? Go down there and see what he's got, see what he's selling. Try out his snowballs. I grew up in the city, so they had snowballs on every corner, so feel me on that. Other than that, guys, happy flying, be good. By Ken FPV. Gotta drop that plug in there, sorry. Have fun. We'll catch you guys on the next one. And we'll get the series out of this. Peace.